Hey everyone, welcome to part 7 of Advanced Afterworld Tricks and Algorithms. If you're new to this channel and want to check out the other videos in this series, click the card in the top right hand corner. So this is the first case that I'm going to be covering today, and this is when you have this edge and the colors line up with the center, and you have this corner in the back right slot with white facing the back. So usually you will have to rotate and pair it up like so, but with this trick you can do it rotationless and in only 7 moves. So the trick goes like this. You can basically do an M prime, and then you have this pair in the back, you solve this pair, do an M. But instead of doing M prime and R, you can see that you can cancel it out by just doing a wide R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R, U. And instead of doing R prime M, you can do a wide R prime at the end to cancel it out. And doing it fast will look something like this. Next up, we have this case where we have this corner in the slot and we have this edge that needs to go right here, and the colors line up on this side right here. So you can solve this case like so. R, U, R, U. And then you do R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime. Once again, R, U, R, U. You move this side up, and then you reverse. And one of the cool things about this algorithm is that if you have the top side solved except for this edge, and then you do the algorithm, it'll actually give you an OLL skip. Next up, we have this case where we have this pair, which is sort of a flipped edge pair in the left slot. Now, instead of doing triple sexy moves like so, or triple sledgehammer, you can instead move this corner to the back, do F prime, wide RU R prime, and that pairs it up, and you can just insert it like so. And doing it fast looks something like this. But there is another trick, and that's when this corner is all the way over here, you can do F, and then you pair this up, U, F prime. And doing it fast looks something like this. Alright, next up we have this case, and this will only work if you have this slot and this slot available. So if you don't have these two slots available, then you can just do it the regular way. But if you do have these two slots unsolved, you can solve this case a little bit quicker and save a few moves by using D moves as well. So it'll work like this. You do a D like this, R, U prime to R prime to insert this edge, and then you insert this corner into the back, D prime, and that will solve this. But note that after you do the D and insert this edge, you can actually also cancel into inserting the corner at the back, which will also save a move. And to get fast, look something like this. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys learned something new. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.